Hi everyone!
Hi everyone!
Welcome to RTR Travel Test Kitchen. I'm Lauren, this is Danielle. Hey Danielle, what are we making today?
Grilled cheese!
We're making grilled cheese, and to be a little more specific, we're making the grilled cheese that can be found at Woody's Lunchbox at Disney's Hollywood Studios at Walt Disney World in Florida. Danielle, are you excited?
Yeah!
To make 4 sandwiches, you need 8 slices of bread, 8 slices of provolone cheese, 8 slices of cheddar cheese, a half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, a cup of mayonnaise, a teaspoon and a half of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, and a half cup of cream cheese. So the first thing we need to do for this recipe is to make a cream cheese spread. So in order to do that, we're gonna take a half cup of cream cheese,
Half cup of cream.
2 tablespoons of heavy cream, and a half cup of shredded cheddar, and we're gonna blend it all together in a food processor.
Mommy,
Yes, Danielle.
why are those cut up?
That's shredded cheese. You wanna have a taste?
Oh,
How is it?
good!
Okay. You gonna help me put everything into the food processor?
Just one more bite. Because it's so good.
Okay. Can you pour this cheese into the food processor for me?
Mommy?
Can you hand me the cream cheese?
Sure. Whoa, this is a big cream.
Yeah.
Can I pour it in?
It's just a big block.
Can I help pour this?
No, we're gonna use that for something else. Can you hand me the heavy cream? That's got milk looking stuff over there.
Oh, can I pour it?
Yes, can you pour it in?
Let me use that pour it.
Great job.
Oh no.
That's okay. So now we're gonna blend until smooth. The next thing we're gonna do is make the garlic spread that goes on the outside of the sandwich. So for that, you need your cup of mayonnaise and a teaspoon and a half of minced garlic. Daniel, can you help me with this?
Sure.
Here's the spoon. Daniel,
Yeah.
can you help me start to assemble the sandwiches?
Sure. Okay.
So on one slice of bread, we're gonna put 2 slices of provolone cheese, and on the other slice, we're gonna put 2 slices of cheddar.
That is cool.
Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this cream cheese spread, and we're gonna put it on the inside.
I know this for you more. Can I mix it for you?
Okay, mix it a little more, and then we've gotta put it on there, okay?
I need to fry it. Ah!
Okay.
So pretty good. I just tasted and this tasted again was so good.
It was so good.
Yeah.
I'm glad.
Yeah, I try with my finger when I get some on.
Daniel, are you ready for the last step?
Yes.
So the final thing you need to do before grilling your sandwiches is to put the garlic spread on the outside. You ready to help?
Yes.
Hey Daniel, do you want to try a bite of grilled cheese?
Yes!
Thank you so much for tuning in to RTR Travel Test Kitchen. Daniel, say bye.
Bye!